Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter number 1 using a dictionary. 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 I hope you are all are familiar with the word dictionary and you know what is dictionary. So, dictionary is an important and very useful book for students or any other person. Why? Because if we don't know meaning of a particular word, then we can find out from the dictionary. But do you know how can you find out meaning from the dictionary? There is a process. What the process of this? Okay. So students, as you can see, here is written a dialogue. Okay. A dialogue is written on the blackboard. So with the help of this dialogue, we will know how can we find out meaning of any other word. Clear? So let's start. Here is being conversation between mummy and her children. Look. And then mummy called the children inside for their supper. मम्मी ने कॉल किया चिल्ड्रन को अंदर आने के लिए. Why? To supper. What is supper? Then children are asking with mother, what is supper? Because they don't know the meaning of supper. Now, why don't we find out? Let us look it up in the dictionary. Then mummy says, why don't we find out from the dictionary to know the meaning of supper? मम्मा कहती हैं कि हम सफर की मीनिंग जानने के लिए डिक्शनरी का यूज करते हैं. चलो डिक्शनरी से फाइंड आउट करते हैं. लेट वी सी. इट्स इजी. Supper starts with S. Children are worried. How they will find out the meaning of supper with dictionary? Mama says, it's easy. Supper starts with S. What letter comes before S? Mama ने कहा, it's easy. काफी easy है हमें find out करना. So first you know what letter comes before S. S से पहले क्या आता है ना? MRS. Sand, soup, supper. Here it is. Okay. So S से पहले क्या आते हैं? R और उससे पहले N. Okay. So after then she found sand, soup and then supper. इसके S के before क्या आता है? R and उससे before N. Then they found word sand, then they found soup and at last they finally found supper. Oh, here it is. Children are saying, here it is, supper. Supper is written. Okay. Now, that's right. The words are listed in alphabetical order. If you know your alphabet, a dictionary is easy to look up. Mama says, it's right. Okay. The words are listed in alphabetical order. So, in dictionary, the words are listed in their alphabetical order. जो डिक्शनरी होती हैं उसमें वर्ड्स उनके अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज किए हुए होते हैं. Okay, so Mama is saying here, if you know the order of alphabet, then you can find out any meaning from the dictionary. Now, a main meal that it is eaten in the evening. Then children found the meaning of supper. What is the meaning of supper written in the dictionary? The meaning of supper written in the dictionary is a main meal that is eaten in the evening. It means you can say dinner dinner. Okay, so supper means dinner. That was easy, mummy. Then children were happy and they said that was easy, mummy. Okay, ये बहुत easy था डिक्शनरी से supper की meaning find out करना. Okay, students. So if you know your alphabetical order, so you can find out any meaning from the dictionary. Now let me see what is the definition of dictionary. A dictionary is a book that lists the meanings of the words in a language. Okay, so what is the dictionary? A dictionary is a book that lists the meanings of the words in a language. डिक्शनरी एक बुक होती है जिसमें वर्ड्स मीनिंग्स जो हैं वो लिस्टिंग की हुई होती हैं. ओके, द वर्ड्स आर लिस्टेड इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. और इसमें जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज किए हुए होते हैं, लिस्टेड होते हैं. ओके, टू फाइंड अ वर्ड वी लुक एट द फर्स्ट लेटर. सो when we are finding the meaning of any words, so first we have to look first letter of the word, of that particular word, which meaning we are finding. Okay, so to find a word we look at the first letter of the word, then the second, and so on. Okay, now for example, here is written apple, and you know after A the letter B come. So here written is boot, and after B the letter C comes. So here cat is written. Okay, if you have to find out meaning of the same letters in dictionary, then how you will find out? Okay, let me see. The letter B is here. So first B-A-L-L, ball. Then next B-I-L-L. Then next, okay, then box, B-O-X. Students, what you have observed? Look here. Here the first letter is B, B and B. Then the second letter is A. And here the second letter is I, and here the second letter is O. It means when we are finding meaning of any word, so first we will look first letter, then second letter, and then so on. And same here is here, C-A-M-E, came, and the next one is C-A-R-E, care, and the third one is C-A-S-E, case. Look students, what you have observed in three words. Okay, the first word is C, 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 and the second word is also A, A, A. But the third word is here M, then R, and then S. It means when we are finding meanings of any words, then we will observe their alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, it means we will look first letter, then second letter, and then we will follow the rules. We have to look their alphabetical order, and then we will find out the meaning of any words. So I hope you must have understood. Look how you will find out any meanings of any words from the dictionary. Goodbye. Have a nice day.